Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: a verified Google account and a live site with product pages. Next, prepare business details like legal name, address, tax ID, and a visible return policy so verification runs smoothly. Gather product-level data: GTIN, SKU, accurate prices, availability, and quality images, because Google checks consistency between feed and site. Once done, open the Merchant Center, choose your country and time zone, and begin the onboarding flow. This gets your account ready to accept a product feed. You now build and submit the product feed. Choose a feed method: Google Sheets for small catalogs, scheduled fetch for hosted files, or the Content API for frequent updates. Then map required attributes: ID, title, description, link, image link, price, availability, and GTIN. Meanwhile, verify and claim your website. Use an HTML tag, Google Analytics, or Google Tag Manager so Google can match your feed to on-site pages. Make sure attribute values match site content exactly, because discrepancies trigger disapprovals. And you finish by configuring tax and shipping settings for each target country. Incorrect settings block listings. Review diagnostics for item-level errors and policy disapprovals, then correct feed values or landing page content, re-upload and request review. Enable surfaces across Google to start appearing in shopping and check performance. If something fails, one troubleshooting tip: compare the exact feed value with the live product page content, mismatched price. Availability, or GTIN, is the most common reason for rejection, and correcting it usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.